Namaste all of you. Welcome back to Inspiring Math and Science. This is Soumya. Yeah, today in this class we are going to learn about again the first chapter of our 7th standard CBSE math, that is multiplication and division of integers. Yes, now we'll see the properties. Okay, in our earlier class we have learned some basic concepts, okay, on that multiplication and division of integers. Now we'll go to the properties of multiplication and division on integers. Okay, let us start today's class. Once again, heartily welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Inspiring Math and Science. Yes, we'll see all the properties of multiplication on integers. Okay, yes, first property is closure property. What it says? Yes, first property, that is closure property. What it says? Closure property. If a and b are any two integers, then a into b is also an integer. Okay. Closure property says that if a and b are any two integers, then a into b is also an integer. Yes, come on. Let me check that. I am taking an example for this. A is equal to -3 and b is equal to 2. Let me check this. And -3 and 2 both are integers. -3 is a negative integer and 2 is a positive integer. If a and b are any two integers, then a into b is also an integer. Yes, let me check a into b. A into b, which is equal to a means -3 into b means 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus into plus, minus. Okay. It means -6 is an integer. Okay. -6 is a negative integer. It shows closure property says that if a and b are any two integers, then a into b is also an integer. Okay. The example we have seen. Yes. Any example you can take. Any integers you can take. Either it may be positive integer or else negative integer. Yes, we'll go to the second property, commutative property. What it says? Yes, we'll go to the second property, commutative property. What it says, commutative property? If a into b is equal to b into a, when if a and b are any two integers, then a into b is also is equal to b into a. This is commutative property. Okay. Commutative property of multiplication of integers. Okay. Property. Yes. Here commutative property says if a and b are any two integers, then a into b is equal to b into a. Let me check that property by taking any two examples. A is equal to 6, b is equal to -2. A into b is equal to b into a. Let me check that. A into b. A means 6 into b means -2, which is equal to 6 2s are 12 plus into minus, minus. That is -12. Yes. Now I am taking b into a. B means -2 into a means 6. 2 6 are 12. Minus into plus, minus. Here see, a into b is -12 and b into a, that is also -12. It says that closure property holds good on integers. Okay, what it says? Actually, the closure property says that if a and b are any two integers, then a into b is always equal to b into a. Any examples you can take rather than this. Okay, yes. Now, we'll go to the associative property. What it says, associative property? Yes, if here another one literal will add to this. If a, b and c are any three integers, then a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Okay, this is called associative property. Yeah. The third one property is associative. Yes. Third property, that is associative property. Okay. What it says? If A, B and C are any three integers, then A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Here see, putting the bracket is important. Okay. First we need to make group of any two integers and take another one integer as separate, and then leave the first integer as it is and make the group of second and third integers. Clear? In associative property, if A, B and C are any three integers, then A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Yeah? Yes. We'll take one example on this property also. Yes. I need some space, so I am writing here up. Yes. Here, just a property I'll write. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Right now? Yes. I am taking A as 2, B as -3 and C as 4. Yes. For this property, I am going to put the values of A, B and C. See here, A means 2. 2 into B means -3 into C means 4, which is equal to, again A means 2 into B means -3 into C means 4. Yes, now multiply and open the bracket. Plus into minus, 2 3s are 6 into 4 as it is, which is equal to 2 into, here we should not do this 2 into -3 first. We need to open the bracket first according to our DeMoss theory. Okay. First we need to open the BDMOS theory, we can call it as. Okay. Yes, there we need to take first the bracket open. Later division, multiplication, subtraction and addition. Okay. DeMoss. Here see, 2 into minus into plus minus, 3 4s are 12. Here minus into plus minus, 6 4s are 24, which is equal to 12 2s are 24 plus into minus minus. Here see, LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is what? Associative property. Okay. Yes, I hope so it is clear for you. Here something is different. That is what? Just we need to take the three integers. Okay. It may be a positive or negative. You need to check either the product of two integers along with the another single integer should be equal to the another product of two integers along with the single. Okay. Yes. Now we'll go to identity property. Okay. Next property is identity property. Next property is what? Identity property. Yes. It says that if A is any integer, then A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to always A. Okay. That is what? If A is any integer, then A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. Which means a number multiplied by 1 or else the 1 multiplied by any number gives the number itself according to our whole number system. Okay. See here, keep it in your mind that the properties of multiplication of integers are same as the properties of multiplication of whole numbers. Clear? Yeah. Here see, identity property says if A is any integer, then A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to always A. It means always the given integer. Any integer multiplied by 1 or else 1 multiplied by any integer gives the integer itself. Yes, see here, I am taking an example, a as minus 1, okay, into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus into plus minus 1. Clear now? Minus 1 is the number itself. Okay. Yes. Next is zero property. Zero property means here we need to remove that 1. We need to keep the 0. That's it. Okay. If a is any integer, then a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0 always. Means any integer multiplied by 0 gives the value 0. Okay. That is called zero property. Zero property. What it says actually? Any integer multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by any integer gives 0 itself. Okay. This is called zero identity. Okay. Zero property. Yes. Now, multiplication by minus 1. Okay. Multiplication by minus 1. Any integer multiplied by minus 1 gives, see here, any integer, I'll take 2. Any integer multiplied by minus 1 gives the integer always, okay. 2 ones are 2, that is minus 2. Multiplied by minus 1. It means a into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into a is equal to always minus a, like that. Okay. A into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into a is equal to minus a. This is called what? Multiplication by minus 1. Yes. Next is what? Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Okay. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Let me check that also. Okay. Next is what? Distributive property. Distributive property over addition and subtraction. What it says? A into B plus C, which is equal to, this is according to addition. Okay. A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus A into C. And in the case of subtraction, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Let me take examples for A, B and C. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus 4. Let me check this distributive property over addition. A into B plus C. A means 2 into B. B means 3 plus C means minus 4 is equal to A into B. A means 2 into B means 3 plus A means 2 into C means minus 4. First, we need to open the bracket according to our BDMOS theory. First bracket, then division, then multiplication. After that, addition and finally subtraction. Yes. Here see, first open this 2 into plus into minus. Plus into minus minus. So, 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, which is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus here minus into is here. So, plus into minus minus, 4 2s are 8, which implies minus into plus minus 2 1s are 2 is equal to plus 6 minus 8. It means minus 2. Plus into minus minus, we need to subtract 8 minus 6, 2. Bigger number is 8 among 8 and 6. So, we need to keep the bigger number sign, that is minus sign. See here, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, this is same for subtraction also. Yes, thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly share and subscribe our channel. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and comment to channel. Thank you so much for watching our video.